You're about to travel to a work site in another dimension. A work site you can observe while remaining unseen. Your destination is filled with the sights and sounds of a busy workplace. A workplace with one difference. Here, you won't be able to intervene, step back, or stop work. You'll observe unsafe behavior and error precursors leading to the horrors that lurk in any workplace. You'll see the hesitation of coworkers turn to regret when they realize they could have acted to prevent an injury. There's a posting up ahead. Your next stop, the CWILightZone. Meet Mr. Steven Slicer. Mr. Slicer is a hard worker, but he's also a creature of habit. Bad habits. Even though he knows his personal pocket knife is never the right tool for the job, he still uses it when he thinks no one is watching. Mr. Slicer has another problem as well. His coworkers are hesitant to intervene and help him choose better behaviors. Mr. Slicer's bad habit and his coworkers' failure to intervene are about to send him on a painful journey through the CWILightZone.
You gonna be involved in that sampling coming up?
Yeah, we got to get all that equipment put together.
Yeah. Hey, Danny, that's Steve over there cutting boxes with a pocket knife?
Why, yes, Frank, I believe it is.
We should say something to him about getting the right tool for the job.
Well, he's been using that same knife out here for years. I don't want him to think that we're trying to get him in any trouble or that we're pointing fingers at him. He'll be okay.
Let me cut right to the point. Personal pocket knives are never the right tool for the job. Even though Steven has been lucky all these years, it took only this one incident for him to lose his thumb. And now, Mr. Slicer has finally lived up to his name. And Frank and Danny will have to live with knowing they could have reminded Steven to use the right tool for the job and possibly save him from a painful injury. Remember to always use the right tools for the job. Don't hesitate to remind your coworkers they should never take shortcuts. And join us again next time for another journey through the CWILightZone.